Hey guys, it's M&R's, believe it or not, and today we're going to open up our giant Yughi-ho pack. There's 5 packs. That's what that says. It's 5 packs plus 4 foil cards and wind up Zenemanes, man. So let's get this open. God, I remember when I never collected these kind of cards. I was more into Pokemon. God, you can hear them now. Mr. Bag, you stay the fuck away. Alright, how do I open this? I don't want to spend an hour trying to figure out how to open it. Oh, okay. That goes over there. There is a pretend plastic thing on here that we can just remove. So, first off, we have Goss card, which we will open up later. We have 5 of these, like I said in the box. I didn't trust the box. I've done this for some reason, I don't know why. Alright, so we're gonna remove these Kaiju cards that I opened in the last video and put them down here, because there's nothing in here except Kaiju cards. Because who cares about Kaiju? I didn't know what it was. I probably have some really rare cards and I don't even know it. If I do, I don't know if I do. Let's remove these over here for a while. So I don't know how to do Yu-Gi-Oh cards. There's a rare, if I know what a rare is or what it looks like, which I probably will not. Unless it goes by the same rules of Pokemon, and if it is shiny, like a Pokemon card is. I wish I had an example of what to do, but I'm not going to grab it. I have Pokemon cards. I like Pokemon more than Yu-Gi-Oh, if you guys can't tell. So, I don't know how to set up Pokemon cards. These are fucking Yu-Gi-Oh, you dumbass. So we're just going to do this. We have a Camera Crops. Dude, a button. An Influence Dragon. Holy fuck, that has a lot of freaking Star Dragon Balls. It is a Arctic Seal of the Sun Dragon Overload. A Hammerhead Shark. Okay, that's looking kind of stupid. Whoa. That looks like a rare. That looks a lot like a rare. We're gonna actually put that in a separate pile. That looks stupid. Butterfloak. Okay. It is a lizard. Okay. Bam. Bam. Let's get our other packs. Or this one. This looks like the same wrapper of the other pack. Okay, we have a Bouncer. We have another Influence Dragon. Holy dick, that looks important. It's a Heretic Dragon of East. I'm gonna put that in that pile. It's an overplay year. Who cares about that? That's a lot of stuff. That's a jet. It's called the Rocket Aero Express. That's not a plane. Oh yeah, we have another one of these. It must not be rare, but oh well. Going in that pack. Nitwit Outwit. That's retarded. Another Butterfloak. One of those guys. Oh god, we don't have a lot of time. God dang, this video might be really long. Oh god dang it. didn't open too well. Oh, there we go. Oh, plastic, why must you fall? Alright, we have a Evo Miracle. Looks like a dinosaur. We have a Photon Lead. Looks like something that some weird Caesar dude's going for, like one of the stuff that people have on their doors. An ice crevasse. That's cool. A corno. Are you kidding me? That's so retarded. That's literally called a corno. Murmur of the Forest. Lance Lord. Champions Village. Needle Sunfish. I left of that. Alright, I didn't see any good looking cards in there. We're down to 2 packs. Tupac. Haha. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't see my last video, I don't know if any of these are rare or not, so don't blame me if I go over something and I don't think it's that rare, or like important to anybody. It's another one of those corno dudes. What is that? That looks freaking awesome. A wind-up knight. Holy weird. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? That looks pretty cool. We're gonna put that in that. There's another wind-up warrior. Zen Merrick. And then we have Wizard Dude, whose real name is Perrier of the Ice Barrier. We are running out of time, so we gotta hurry up. Where's my knife? That is not something one hear somebody say, where is my knife? Oh god, I got it without the knife. Ow. Okay, we have a Materia Moron, an Evo Miracle, Ghost Rider, Caesar. His name is shiny, so is he like a rare? I'm not scared, we're just gonna put him in the rare. Infernity Knight, Zen Merrick. Yeah, Zen Merrick. Perrier of the Ice thing again. Oh wait, it's another one. Cross Attack. That's a card. This is our last pack. It's our rare pack, I think. So I think these are all rares. This is another black card. I don't know if that's important or not. Zilar Delica. Transformer Megatron. His name is actually Genix Neutron. Scrap Dragon. Looks like something out of freaking Star Trek. Dark Highlander. That's pretty cool looking, actually. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god, that's like a seizure card. Look at that. Jeez, it's called a Wind-Up Xenamanes main. Look at that, it's cool. Gosh. So, that is basically everything. Like this if you want to see more of this. Because I will buy more cards if you like this. Tell me if I should get, like, what kind of cards, because I will get them and review them if I have to, if you want me to. So, like this, subscribe if you want to. It's your choice. I'd appreciate it. And all the other subs would appreciate it. So, goodbye.